How to turn on or turn off Google Pay notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off Google Pay notifications. What do you do first? I'll show you how the application installed and then go ahead to launch the application. Once you're on the applications page, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Then in the drop-down menu that appears, you can see options like wallet tips, payment methods, password manager, your data in wallet, wallet settings. So click on wallet settings. On the wallet settings page, you can see the option for you to update your name, your profile. Then you can see add, you can see manage wallet notifications. So click on that since you're trying to turn on or turn off the notifications. So here, just by the right side of show notifications, you can see a toggle, right? So once you can see this toggle, just go ahead and put it and click on it this way to turn it off, and turn it on, click on it, and once it shows blue, it means it has been turned on, and once it shows gray, it means that it has been turned off, and then you can continue whatever you were doing. So that is it. This is basically how you can turn off or turn off Google Pay notifications. Thank you for watching and have a good day.